Hi there, this is Ritika again. Welcome back to my channel. In a previous video, we saw if condition and its functions. Today we are going to see about user-defined function and built-in function. Firstly, what is user-defined function? Functions that we define ourselves to do certain specific tasks are referred as user-defined functions. Once you define a function, you can call that anywhere in your program. Now, let's see an example. Let's see how to convert decimal to binary. Here, we will start the program with DEF to denote that it is a user-defined function. DTOB is the function name. S is the variable name and DEC is the variable that gets the input. Now let's run and test the program. Let's enter 8.3. This is the binary form of 8.3. Now let's see how to call the function in your program in another cell. Just you want to call the name of your program and a number. Now let's see what's a built-in function. Built-in function are those that are already defined in Python libraries and we can call them directly. For example, print function, if condition, for loop, else condition, etc. In my previous videos, you can get a complete insight of these instructions. So, if you have any doubt, you can comment down. Thank you.